be invisible and spread out everywhere, to help in secret ways without you knowing I am there. I like to be invisible and spread out everywhere, to help in secret ways without...
So now we go into the nitty-gritty of our lessons. There are two categories of sounds in English. We have the vowel sounds and the consonant sounds. Now, let's put it in ways that everyone can understand. Let's make it simple, stupid, so that even someone as dull and as unintelligent as I am can understand that. What are vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are those sounds in English that are produced with the mouth open most often, the tongue doing a little bit of a modulation but really not getting in the way. The lips give way, the teeth give way, and the sounds come out. These sounds are vowel sounds. They are free sounds. Well, let me put it in some other illustrative ways that you can understand. Let's assume that spoken English is an empire. The vowel sounds are the royalty, the princess and the princesses, the nobility. These are the vowel sounds. They are the free sounds, the free flowing sounds, the sounds that are not easily inhibited when produced. They are the vowel sounds. Well, I hope that is simple and stupid enough for you to understand. There are some other sounds called the consonant sounds. Well, let's still have this picture in our mind that English is an empire, and the vowel sounds are the royalty. Then who are the consonants? The consonants are like their security, their bodyguards, protecting the vowel sounds, from attack, or their soldiers, or their defense. So if you look at the vowel sounds as the royalty, the princes and princesses, and the consonant sounds as their bodyguards, then you can have an idea of what these sounds are going to be doing. The vowel sounds have these symbols, and I'm going to be sounding them so that you can follow up. Today we are going to be taking just two of them. This sound, E. 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 This is the phonetic symbol for the sound E. I'll be giving you examples later. And this is the phonetic symbol for the sound E. E. Did you get the difference? The first one is E, and this one is E. 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 What did you observe? The first one is long. Yes, that's why it has the two dots. It's a long vowel sound. The second one is short, but that's not the difference. Even though the second one is a short sound, take notice of the way it is articulated. E. E. Now let's have some typical word examples for this two sounds. Here you have S, E, E, N, seen. Seen. I have seen him. Yes. And look at this. S, I, N. What's the difference? Sin, sin. Sin, sin. The difference is in the pronunciation of these two sounds. The first one is E, and the second one E. Let's get more examples. Look at this. E-A-T. Eats. Eats. E-A-T. Eats. I know you do that quite often, but look at this one. I-T. Eats. its. Did you get the difference between its and its? Can you eat its? Its, its. Look at another one, and here you have the word B-E-A-T. Beats. Boom. Beats. B-E-A-T. The beats. I love the African beats. But now look at this. B-I-T. Bits. Bits. Bits by bits. So we need you to work on this and knowing the difference between those two sounds, the E and the E. So you can now see the difference. All the sounds in English are E sounds. So what are we going to do about it? We work on the E. There will be a lot more lessons on the E sounds. And sounds like this I refer to as beautifiers. I call them the beautifiers of our spoken English. So, till we meet again, keep watching our videos, keep liking it, keep sharing it, and don't forget, click that subscribe button. Ciao.
Goodbye, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. Goodbye, sweetheart. Well, it's time to go. I hate to leave you, but I really must say, oh, goodbye, sweetheart. Goodbye.